There is an ongoing debate in politics today with people fighting over whether global warming is real or not. But what is global warming? Many energy industries rely on sources like coal and natural gases to produce energy, but these compounds also created unwanted products which are called greenhouse gases. What do greenhouse gases do, you ask? Well, greenhouse gases stay in the atmosphere and absorb heat from the sun's radiation. With the accumulation of the heat, the earth gets hotter and hotter, while also destroying the ozone layer. But the debate rages on whether or not this theory of global warming is real. Scientists have tested this theory out many times and have said this is the stark reality that the world faces. More and more scientists have supported the theory, saying that if there is no change, the world could drastically change. While people who do not believe the theory say that the world is not changing and that it is based on the randomness of weather. The scientists have been creating data for a long time, and they have got the input of the fossil fuel industry on the amount of carbon produced. Carbon dioxide is a greenhouse gas, and the graph shows how production of it has been changed over the century. We are creating this much carbon dioxide just from the fossil fuel industry alone, not including the natural gas industry. The next graph shows how the CO2 output has changed over the last decade alone. It shows that CO2 is still increasing and we are creating more greenhouse gases than ever, which in turn makes the world have a hotter climate. People who do not believe in global warming do not believe it either because they do not want to accept the dark theory or have economic interests that this theory would counter, such as the energy companies that would be negatively affected by this theory. They say that this would hurt the economy and cost many people jobs and money for the future. The problem is still contested with scientists on one side while businessmen and other people who do not believe on the other side.